In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to connect your AirPods Pro with Poco X3 NFC phone. So if you have these two devices, you're in the right video, and this Poco X3 NFC is running MIUI 12. And before I continue, I want to show you this app that I always install on my Android phones known as Material Pods, or you can also try Android Pods, get them from the Play Store and set it up, let it have access to everything that it needs to before we continue. And with that said and done, we want to first get the AirPods Pro into pairing mode. So being that it's being connected to a Xiaomi phone, open up the case lid, and the button at the back of the case here, you're going to hold that button down and make sure it remains in this white blinking light. All right, so hold it down. You're going to see this white blinking light there, and just hold it down for at least 3 to 4 seconds so that when you let go, it's going to stay like that because you want to keep it that way. Keep the case lid open, don't close it. And now we're going to go into the settings of our Poco X3 phone here, and we're going to go to the Bluetooth section. So go to Bluetooth and turn it on from here. This way you can see what's going on, and just pay attention to where it says available devices. You'll see AirPods Pro. So when you see it, just tap on it, you're going to get the pairing request, and you'll notice there's going to be this sort of message telling you that the volume is going to be like volume issues and stuff like that. So why I recommended the Material Pods app is for that very reason. So it should help with connectivity and with sound issues if ever you do encounter that. All right, so you can also check the settings and see what it has to offer, but I personally didn't find anything useful in there. All right, so close out your AirPods Pro, and now let's go ahead and dive into the Material Pods app. Okay, so if you haven't allowed access to certain things, like give it permission and all that stuff, you might want to go ahead and do that. So go ahead and give the app permission, allow location, and let it overlay on other apps and all that stuff. This way you can get that pop-up animation, which I'll show you at the end of this video here. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll be able to go next, and all that stuff. And of course, display over other apps. That's what I was talking about. And then once you do all that, you should be taken to a page that looks like this. And it's pretty much just agreeing to use their app. Okay, that you've read everything, you check the box, and then of course you just go ahead and close it out. And now here, you're going to choose the style of pop-up animation. You got 2D or 3D. And these are the free options available for this app. And if you want to go all out, maybe you might want to go ahead and purchase it, the Pro version. But if not, just for having the pop-up animation and helping with connectivity issues, then just stick with the free version. All right, so it's going to take a while, but you'll see it. This is like a few seconds, and there's the pop-up animation here. You are going to get the ads, but what I found is that after closing out the ads and saying that you want to stop seeing it, a few times later, you'll notice that it will not show eventually. They'll come back eventually, but for the next few times you use the pop-up animation, it's not going to show. Okay, so it's going to try that out one more time just so we make sure that it's working. And of course, you get the pop-up animation, and just to show you that it's now connected and your phone is recognizing the AirPods as AirPods Pro. So like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you're new to my channel, and thanks for watching. See ya. Enjoy your AirPods.